Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here to show you how to break in the spine of your notebook. So this is one of the basic functions of starting a new notebook, is actually prepping the notebook itself to be able to use it. So one of the things with hand sewn notebooks, as with all of the Archer and Olives, they are hand sewn, is prepping it for starting to use it. So one of the ways to do that is to break in the actual spine of the notebook. So think of it as you're getting ready for a race and you need to stretch before you actually do the racing, right? So that's what you're doing, is you're stretching out the spine of this notebook because it has been very taut for very long. So you want to ease it into its use. So the way you do that is by flipping it onto its spine with the page side up. And you're not going to split it in half. You're actually going to take just the back, put it flat, and then take, I don't know, 10 to 20 pages, 15 pages, and go ahead, set that flat, and then run your finger along this crease. And then you're not going to keep going from the back. You're going to start again from the front. So what you're doing is you're stretching it out on either side. And that is very important for the notebook itself, just for its main functionality. So I'm going to go again from the back. And I'm going to run my fingers along that crease. You definitely want to put enough pressure, but don't don't separate it. You know, you're not moving the pages so that they are not up and down. So you're going to take this, keep the pages up and down, and then run along the crease. And again from the front. Going to take the pages, go straight up and down, and run through that crease. I like to do it a couple times. 2-3 times is fine. 1 time is perfectly fine. And just keep switching back and forth from front to back. So I find this incredibly important, specifically for hand sewn notebooks, because of how they are put together. You can see that these are hand sewn. I try not to always do it where the sewing marks are. Most of the time I try to do it like 1 page before or after the actual sewn parts, because there's already a separation there because of the sewing. So I like to go where it's not sewn. And so once you get here, you're basically in the middle, right? So then you're going to go ahead and run your fingers there through the middle. So this stretched out your spine. It broke that spine in without having the pages separate. So that is one of the most important things about breaking in the spine of your notebook, is keeping those pages from separating. So I hope this was a really quick tutorial and very helpful for you. If you want to see more of these tutorials, stay tuned on my channel, and I will see you all in another video soon. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye everyone.